What's going on, guys? We are back at it with another one. Hey, first video of the year 2025. A lot of footage that has been missed here. We decided to start this year a little different, man. We got my boy Caesar here. He's gonna start following us around and take some of that pressure off that I've had in the last few months with filming, trying to get all this, trying to run a business and filming, man. It's just a little too much. So we're in Conroe, Texas right now. You have the guys removing, I think it's a 500 square foot, so about a 2.5 car size garage. And I got crew number one here, and they're removing a water-based epoxy and are going in with an industrial grade epoxy, full flake broadcast. And then I got my other guys in Willis, Texas. They are prepping for a metallic. So let's check this stuff out real quick and see what they got going on. What's up, dude? Got my boy Alba right here, the one that with Domino. He's there. They're going in with Domino. It's just one of these white, gray, and black flakes. Let's see what it's got going on. Right. Go up here. So this is our Genie package, man. We also rent these out, but it's a 500-pound grinder. It's got these special diamonds on the floor, and you can see, man, it's removing. See this coating here, but they're removing that. Going back to concrete. We're exposing the pores in the slab, and then they're gonna go in with an industrial grade. See, all that right there is gonna all get it all around the edges, and what this vacuum does, it just sucks up the dust, man, as we go. And everything we use has a shroud on it for dust. The silica sand is dangerous for the lungs. Well, we install the vacuum right here, close the shroud up, and all the dust gets sucked up back to the vacuum. Right there. You see this right here? Start removing the core. Y'all see how easy it is to get that up? Of course, it's an industrial grinder, but an industrial epoxy pour that we do, it's hard. Man, it is hard to get up, especially with a grinder like that. We'll kind of start sanding the surface, but removing it is tough. These pours here are a little easy to get up. All right, guys, so we just put up at this Conroe job. The gentleman I was talking to is Albert. He's one of our newest employees. And then we have Jose. He's one of our seasoned guys here. He's been with us for a while. But yeah, man, I know it's kind of loud in there, but we're removing a floor. It's a water-based product. It's usually your DIY kits from your local stores. It's a quick dip and roll. The product that us guys in the industry here that have been doing this for a while is all industrial. Of course, you got different products out there on the market, but man, we're going in there with 100% solid epoxy, full flake broadcast, and a polyaspartic top coat. They're gonna do a full removal, expose the pores in the concrete, and just make sure whenever we apply our floor that it's gonna bond properly to the concrete. Somebody was just asking me right now when our next dates for the Academy. You can pull this up all on your phone. So usually, that's the way the website looks. You can kind of register now. Speak with an expert. There go the available dates. We're in February 3rd through the 7th, or February 24th through the 28th, and then Spanish 17th through the 21st. And then we'll update March, April, May, June. So we're gonna knock these out and go from there. But easy, quick to do. How many people that are intending, company name, first and last, email, number, city, and that is it. It gives you directions. And once you fill it out and you send it in, we'll get the email and we'll contact you and get further information and get y'all booked in, ready to go. So we're on our way to Willis right now. We're gonna check on Raul and the guys prepping for this metallic. We're gonna leave Jose and Albert here in Conroe and let's keep it going. Yes, in San Antonio, Austin, and Houston. Man, when do you need it by? Okay, well, send me the list what you need and send me the address. Let me forward that info over to the Houston location. And so I just got off a phone call right now. A gentleman by the name of Alan. He's out of Pearland, Texas. So he's in a bind right now, trying to find a vehicle to go get his material. So I told him we'll deliver. Hey man, y'all catch yourself in a bind. We've done it plenty of times. We deliver all over Houston. We've even gone out of the city and delivered out in Austin for certain guys. It all depends, guys. Call us, let us know. Again, we're not a delivery company, but whatever y'all guys need, man, we're here to help. So he's out of Pearland. He starts a job tomorrow. Said he wants 12 rock hard kids. I said, I got you. He's gonna send me a list now. We're gonna go ahead and process it. Once it's approved, I'll probably charge him a little service fee, deal to go to Pearland and back. Don't know who I'm gonna send. Probably be me, myself. I'll go out of my way and I'll deliver the product to this guy. Keep my guys going, keep the office going, keep Jaden at the store, and I'll probably go out of my way, probably load everything up, and I'll do it myself. So on our way to Willis right now. I'm gonna check on the guys, then we'll get back to the office and keep going from there.
Hey, what up, Juan?
Come that way.
What up, big dog?
Hey, we just left Conroe right now. We're on the way to y'all guys in Willis. They're passing up 105. Go ahead and start dropping primer coat. By the time we get there, man, at least you're in full action mode. You know what I mean?
All right.
Okay, but we're passing up 105 now, man. Just send me the pin and y'all can go ahead and get started.
I sent it to you right now.
All right, bet that. Tell the guys to go ahead and get started, man. They're going to get started. Dropping primer coat. We're probably 10, 15 minutes away. Y'all seeing right now, we're look brown and beige. So some vapor barriers that we installed and that were already tinted from a previous job. We just kind of threw them on the ground. And now we're going in with an all black primer coat, and then tomorrow we're gonna be doing our thing. I got Raul, Cuba, and Danny over here laying down a primer coat and this Barnuminium. Tomorrow, I guess we'll be going in with a metallic system, the whole first floor, restrooms, bedrooms, hallways, and living room area. We're doing the all black with beige and gold glitter throughout the floor. So for this system, we prepped the concrete, fixed some cracks, ended up throwing a vapor barrier down. Today's a primer coat, and tomorrow's gonna be the look. It's a little loud over there. We'll give them a couple minutes, and then y'all see the whole transformation. Okay, let me call the guys and see. I think Mikey's supposed to be sending me the address to the house. Okay, big 10 folk. All right, later. We'll pull up on Derek real quick before we head out. Check it out real quick.
Derek Schultz with Era Epoxy Academy. Inside look today, we're on day 3. Yesterday we prepped our 2 floors here, and then me and I have a one-on-one student this week from New Braunfels. We prepped this, and then today we mixed our epoxy, squeegeed it out, back rolled, and then we broadcasted flake into the epoxy. That was today. So this is a 5-day course. Day 1, we go through our books, we take tons of notes, we get familiar with the language and how to talk about epoxy and all the ins and outs of the business. Day 2, we get hands-on, which was yesterday with the machines, the grinders and the vacuums, learning prep, and then today is hands-on with the epoxy. Tomorrow, I'll be dropping a metallic here, and then we have a board that the students will do on this side, and then Friday is like a half day, wrap it up, have a short test, only 100 questions, no big deal. Just kidding, it's like 15 questions. Get a certificate, we'll go to lunch, and that's it. Academy, www.newerappoxyacademy.com. You can register. We have dates coming up in March, April, May, I think all the way to June right now. So get in there, get booked, because we are booking up quick. And then Juan will take care of you back at the store. Later.
All right, where we at? The Wrapstars, man. And they wrap all my vehicles. They do all the work for me. We've done these floors over here too. They're super crazy. Hello. Hey, how are you? So let me see all these floors over here. Somebody's busy. I want to wrap my shit like this. I want to do that one like this. All right, so pretty much I got a credit there. I had a credit for $30,000. That's how much it cost to do his whole floor and shop. He's wrapped up all of my vehicles. I just went in there right now to find out what my credit was at. So we're at 16 grand. So I'm about to get some more shit wrapped. Maybe another 2-3 vehicles and keep it trucking. So now we're on the way back to the office, chop it up with the guys, and we'll be back tomorrow. Peace.